Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make the falafel and shawarma bread or the Shrak bread. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, in the most of the Arab countries we buy this bread from the bakery because it's hard to make it at home, because this kind of bread use a special oven like you see in the video. It's a half circle oven with a fire from below. This is the first thing. The second thing, they use a special pillow with a circular shape, so that's why the most of the people here buy it from the bakery. But today I'm gonna show you how to make it at home. First, I'm gonna use this kind of frying pan. It's look like the Chinese frying pan. I'm gonna put it upside down over the stove over medium high heat, and I'm gonna use this oven tray para bake the pan. Secondly, I made this pillow at home. I have a cotton rag. I put in it some other rags. You can put anything in it to make it like a circle shape, then tied it and use it. Now let's see how to make our bread. In a bowl, put 1 cup of white flour, add over it some salt, then start adding a water. The water that we gonna use to knead the flour is depend the quantity that you have and the quality of the flour. I used here around half cup of cold water. Mix it a little bit with a spoon, then use your both hands. We're gonna have to knead it for around 8 minutes to get by the end a very soft blended dough. Here I'm gonna divide it in 2 parts, and in a plate put some flour, put the dough in it, cover it and leave it aside for around half an hour. Over the surface that you're gonna extend it, add a little bit of flour, then start extending the dough from the sides with your fingers. Then use the extending wooden tool like you see in the video. If you know how to use your hands to extend the dough, then do it. Extend the dough until it's became a very fine dough. We want to have a very thin bread. That's why extend it like this. After you finished, put it over the pillow, and if you see that there is some size is thicker than the others, you can extend it with your hands over the pillow like you see in the video. And now I'm gonna show you how to bake it. First, I'm gonna show you how to use the frying Chinese pan. As I said before, put it upside down over medium high heat, wait until it's hot, then put the dough over it like you see in the video. The second and the easy way is bake it over a tray. Put the tray upside down over the stove, then with the pillow put the dough over it. Baked it from both sides, and that's it. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment area. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.